What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? So, I don't want to make this too long. This is an intro I have to do all over again because I lost the entire footage of this shoe haul that you're about to see. It is a Shein slippers slash shoe haul. Okay, if you are new here, guys, please subscribe. If you're recurrent subscribers, guys, thank you so much for rocking with me. Guys, please like the video, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. If there's anything in this video that you're interested in, please let me know and I will let you know all the information in the comment. If you're interested, I will put the information in the comment. Does that make sense? Yeah. Anyway, I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. So, yeah, welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. So this is size 9 and a 9 wear. So they are true to size. Good. Oh my god, it feels so thick. You'd have never believe this is Shein. Wow. Okay. I got these cute little flowers. I thought the two different colors were so cute. I also got this in a size 9. I got all the slippers in a size 9. The quality of these things, yo, Shein really step up them game because if you never feel and the heaviness, I mean, not heavy where you can't wear it, just it feel like I think it go like it don't want to fit, but it fits so well. Again, real cute, real nice, right? True to size. I'm loving these so far. Okay. Okay. Now I got this ugly blue. Don't know why. I just feel like say. Me I gotta have a clothes with the blue and me not gonna have the blue. But it's pretty though. It is pretty. The plastic on it. I don't really fuck with the plastic, but it's nice. And this again, size 9. Mm-hmm. Yellow is my favorite color. So of course I had to get this cutie right here. Look like it can't fit me. This kind of look small, and the quality of this one is not as good as the first one. Yeah, you can see some little imperfection around the rim, right? Yeah, but anyway, it's cute. It can wear out if it fit. You know, so it actually fit and feel a little bit bigger than the rest of them. It's exact, but it fit. The bag of bougie sir, what's up? Let's see which one coming in this bougie bag. Ooh, I wanna knock off them. This is nice. Again, size 9. I think I could have. No, let me not say that. I was gonna say I think I could have gone down a size, but no. Nice, isn't it? That is nice and thick. Oh my god. I'm not but not like the quality them really have me stunned right now. We never expect them kind of quality here. Something go wrong. Why the bag here empty? I put it up because something not right there. So That I'm gonna make me go through my order one by one. Obviously, something is missing. Obviously, something missing. Well, one more bougie bag. I don't know what the hell is that. Ooh, it's one of the one them with the ooh, ooh. It's one of these ones. These are nice. Oh my god. Again, size 9. Yo, check this. Oh, this is. Please fit. Please fit. Oh my god. Okay. I don't even know if this name fit. Well, if you wear size 9, not this goes 9.5 because this barely fit my foot. But it's cute and who have time for send back things that she that barely fit. Maybe my foot want clean. Yo, I can't believe. I think I three them here me get. 3 different color. The one here are just clear with the pretty whatever. Alright, we got a blue one. Like I said, I just buy random colors because I just know me gonna have the color clothes. This the color is showing brighter on the screen. It's actually like a dull blue. Like a greenish. I don't even know. But that color on the screen on this is no. This is way duller. So it fits. It's I think this is more showing the color right now. You see this color? This is the exact color that it is. Yeah, the one that's showing you from the front, no. Got a pretty little pinky here. Cute. Simple. Alright, we could see. This is nice. This is perfect. This is so nice. We have a bright yellow. But we'll try it on. Alright, it is. Does it fit? And it's pretty. So pretty. Look at this is definitely some cute dress with these. Some nice little white dress or something. This is nice. We have one more. Oh, I think we should have 3 of these. That's why I'm telling you that I think one is missing because the 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, right? This bag came in. So I'm definitely convinced that one of my slippers them disappear. Because of the nice slippers them. Oh, Jesus! Fuck! Yo! Yo, them have the thing was stuck them. I don't know. This is gorgeous. This is nice. That one here. Maybe if me lotion my foot. I don't know. But look on it like my foot back at hang on. No. That one here definitely not fit. This one. This are 40, which are 9. It want like a. This is a size 9. I think. Let me try the next one. Maybe I put like a lotion on my foot and rub it in. I'm gonna try the next foot and see. Cause them say one of your foot bigger than one, you know. Same thing. Same thing. Alright. So that one you have to give it. That one you not work with me. And then we get this one chocolate brown. I cannot tell you if I have anything that is brown color, but it's it's beautiful. The color, yo, the material. This is nice, 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 nice. I don't know if you can see it good, but the material really nice. This now, this looks short. It fit. I don't like the broadness the up on top this. This, I don't really like that broadness there. But, and listen, don't talk about my feet. Okay, and everybody have pretty foot. So avoid it. It's clean. Alright guys, so may I dig up the whole box to see if I see the third slippers. I'm gonna see. It's not here. So we'll call them for that. Alright, so we have last two slippers we have finally me worry if I buy a black slippers because oh, you have a black slippers. I think this is a knockoff or something. This is a dupe, I don't know, but the quality is good. We love dupes over here because we don't have original money. Cute, right? Very cute. Very demure. Very nice. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love that. That's all. What's the orange slippers? As I see the slippers here, I'm gonna grab it because wrong foot. The slippers here is giving classy. It's giving expensive, right? This a 41. We should have buy them one then a 41 too. But this is very nice. You can dress up in this. Oh, 41 is a little too big, man. Well, the length is good. The length, no, it's not big. It's good. The orange is so pretty. Oh, my toes are matching. Anyway, yeah. So listen, you remember the other day we did the one Shein shoes, all right? And we was like, where's our shoes? What are the shoes they're missing? But yeah, the shoes them come plus more. So I'm just gonna do this and add it to that one. So it's just one. It's just the same Shein all. Alright? So guys, please remember to like the video. I'm gonna be saying that all throughout this video because I realize someone now like the video. And I know someone now do it purposely. Alright? So I'm gonna just keep reminding you, thumbs up the video. And if you're new here guys, please smash that like button. I'm trying to get monetized, alright? So please help other sister. Anyway, on that note, first thing, let me take them socks here off of my foot. So I can try and shows them for you. Alright. Remember these shoes? We just say one miss out of the bag because the bag empty. Like me I tell. Unless one more missing. Because obviously I don't know where my order. I need space. Oh, this is the clear one. Obsessed. Yo, them something I put on with. Oh, so first, oh my god, this is well tucked on. This is not gonna fall off. It is not that cheap type one where if you walk 2 times it gone. No, this well stuck on. This is size 40. Again, I think that's size 9. I wear size 9, so I'm just buy my original size. if you wear size 9 and you're getting these type, buy size 41. Because when we say them here exact, it's exact as you can see. I am gonna wear it, but if you're gonna get it, just get like a size up in height. Because obviously this is just right there. Alright guys, next week, let me turn this TV off. Because that's copyright right there. Next we have this, what do they call it? Platform. I don't understand why I'm not getting none of my receipt there from Shein. I don't know. But anyway, let me say I will put the name and the price on the screen. But this, I've never worn shoes like this before. But I see the girl is them in it. And it look hot. So I'm saying I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I buy 42. And it's still right here. So look narrow bad. So I'm gonna try it and come right back. Alright. Next we have this. Are we loving that shoes? Are we? Because I don't know. It's a little too big. So if you like it and you want to get it, get your correct size. Because my size 2 size up and it's way too big. Not that I can't wear it. Because I can stuff the front. Who stuff shoes anyway? But I would definitely stuff the front and wear it. Oh my god. This is nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, pretty. 41. Thank God I got 41. Oh, thank God I got 41. One size up. So, do we love it? I am obsessed. I am obsessed. This is nice. This part is thick. Thick. But, ooh. So, I wear nothing but 6 and 7 inches. As tall as I am, my inches them are. Ooh. When I step in a party, I'm the tallest, biggest bitch inside there. Yes, I know. But I told myself that I was gonna try and go low. Just to not be so hovering over everyone. But me I get old. The truth is I'm getting old and I cannot stand in them for long anymore. I can go out in them and look cute and walk like a bit, but I can't manage the all night thing. So I tell myself that I will try do the little heels them way. I see the girly them are. And they're cute. So I thought to myself, try some of them. Is this the right foot? Yeah. So the material is suede and it is soft. Of course not real suede, but listen, so soft. You can see that, right? The heel is about 4 or 5, is it? And it's size 41. I'm gonna buy size 41 because the mouth, your foot now go down in there, so you need a little bit of space. But yeah, it's cute. Let's try it. It have one strap here, which you have to pull because you know that stretch thing there, it's not on it. So you're gonna have to pull this. So let's see. And the heel is fine, baby. Fine. Guys, to die for. To freaking die for. And it's small. It's too small. Can you see that? Hold on. So So guys, check this out. So I decided to try this on my bigger foot, and it doesn't fit, man. Look at this. This can't wear. My foot are hang off. Oh, so disappointed because it is so cute, but it is what it is. Alright, that last one was a disappointment. It's too small. It's gonna be mad uncomfortable. Oh my gosh. Jesus, let this fit. Let this fit. Oh wow. These, I want these for my jeans. It is showing red. It is burgundy. This is the same 41. So I have no eye hopes for it at all. Let me try it and come back. On. It can't even button up on the small foot. It is. This thing on my foot looks so big. Can you see the color now? Pretty, right? And this is not exact. This is too small situation going on here. As you can see, I will have to buy like maybe 3 size up, right? Because look how this my foot look big, like my foot not even nothing. This is crazy. No, this is a no. This is a no. This is crazy. I'm more on 2. I think I only bought 2 to wear with my jeans there. You know, if you dress up in your jeans pants them and have them looking, going out. Alright. I never want to try that one here because I think it's the same thing. I think it's gonna be the same thing, but they're so nice though. Yo, trust me. If you're not interested in them here, get them. The quality is really good. The material is really, really nice. This one, the over buckle, it have the stretch thing, and of course you can see the dupe, right? The color is popping. The same color here. It is. I don't even want to try it. This is not going to fit. This is 41 as well. Yay. I don't know what's going on with the plastic on the bottom. It looked like it'll lift off, but oh no, it's not. It's like a protective shield on there. I'm not gonna take it off because I'm gonna send it back. I know I don't have to try it, but I'm going to just for you guys. But this will definitely not go on my foot. I'm gonna try the big foot. Yo, it fit. It freaking fits. And this is the big food, so yeah, I can't read. I cannot read. I am loving it. It's a little bit big. It's nice. It is nice. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. This is nice. Thank God one of them fit. Woo! Box side. Nearly pop my ass. But the one here fit. The one here is actually true to size. And this is 41. So this is actually, this is good. We're going to try something else. Alright. It's the white. It's the white, guys. It's the white. Oh. Ooh. So the white heel big. This is what I'm trying to get into. More comfortable heels. For my big body. Guys. People. I don't know if it's worth it. Come on, no man. So this thing, I would probably keep this in there just to keep the mount of the shoes. So guys, this is nice, right? Very classy, very demure, very mindful, very rich auntie, very cute, very elegant, very comfortable. And that's what we're looking for, okay? We're not young anymore. We better try this bitch. This one at 42. Let's see what's happening here. Now, what I don't understand is, right, this part right here, it don't have no elastic, no way. So if you have a fat, what they call that part here, foot, that part, if you have a fat piece, it won't go through, and I think mine will not. So hold on. It didn't fit. It's such a big fail. Okay. Do you see that? And this is 41. What you got? The foot not even in there properly. This start to bend up, which means it's definitely not my size. And here that I was talking about is already hurting this part of my foot because it's so tight. Yeah, so I need a way bigger size. You see that? All foot are squishing at this back side. So no. No. I needed these shoes so bad. I not even need the flat shoes them like how I need them here. There we go. Listen. Them here light. And you would not believe what they are. So this are one more of them shoes that I'm telling you some more try. This feel like ear pop. Oh my god. Maybe by the time I'm walking at it broke. Can you see the vibe? But I have a whole outfit for this. A whole outfit fit. So let's see if it fit. Listen, I make sure to try this by my big foot, because I'm not play. But guys, it's big bottom. Big bottom always comfortable. It is nice. It's nice, guys. I love it, but it's not what I wanted. I would rather the heels than fit. If I have two of them. Alright, so I'm keeping this one. I think that's it. Yep, so that is it. So guys, please remember to like the video. Like the video, darling. Subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to getting monetized, okay? So share, comment, like. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.